Okay, just rent the bike, 50 baht to go around here. Okay, maybe ticket. Ticket. Cup. Let's go. The soda will be fresh. Explosion. Maybe. Yeah, this area you can paddle like you see in the video. Also, that's 100 baht for rent a kayak, and this is only 15 minutes from Hat Swan Son beach to drive here on a very nice hot day. It's not fully blue sky, but it's hot and it's sunny anyway. I don't know what to expect here on this route. Let's see. Maybe it's good for picnic or something. It's very lovely place to take picture. I see many people come here to take pictures. I really hope I don't meet any big snakes. That's not very why I come here. Ooh. Yeah, but I guess many people have been bicycling here. Oh, there are many. Oh, missing a little bit air. Let's see the route around here. Where am I? You are here. Okay. If I continue straight, I can go around. Okay, maybe I do that. Straight and left and go around. Let's try it. Scary. It's like going in the jungle. It's like going inside the jungle. Oh, no. And then you hear something rustling. Ooh. Left. Okay. Left. Oh shit. Why I did this? Why I do this? Why did I do this? The wood is packing around you. Hey. Ooh. Sorry, Cap. Friendly Thai people everywhere. I love it. That's why Thailand is so great. Always find friendly people, especially in the non-tourist areas. They are extremely friendly people. So, it's very bumpy. Let's see where I am now. Here's the bridge. Oh, I'm here. Oh, I'm not longer than this. Okay. Do I dare? Why not? First do it. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is the place I go past I passed under here with the kayak last time, and the kid is swimming around here to help through because it's a little bit narrow here. Yeah. So, and we paid him how much? 20 baht, and he very happy. Ooh. Why? Oi, calling. Let's see. Do I dare to stop? Yeah, here's. What is this? Pasadu. Sawadikap? Pasadu? Home, yeah. Panali. That was the package. Pasadu. Oh. Pasada. Yeah. Learning to speak Thai more and more. That's necessary, especially in the non-tourist areas. And yeah, you should do it. You should learn to speak Thai when you have planned to stay here for a long time. The people who just thinking about, if I know English, I don't need. But you know, the Thai people, not every Thai people can speak English, so the best way to have the best time in Thailand is to learn Thai. At least learn the basic, so you can communicate with people who don't speak much English. Yeah. That's my advice for everyone. It's a very beautiful country as long as you go around and look around. They're very good to maintain the country in different national parks. Of course, this park is actually free. You don't need to pay here, other than rent a bike or rent a kayak. Kayak is 100 baht and bike is 50 baht. And it's not expensive. Ooh! I hear the sound. Oh my. This sound is not scary, but another sound. Rustling in the next to you. That's not very. And I know the snake can be in the tree also. Hey! Stop! What the? What I do? No further. Go back. Where did I go wrong? I go wrong somewhere. Okay. Let's see if I can find a map again. Where am I? Sorry, but I don't like snakes. I'm not very happy with them, but how can I go wrong? I thought this go around. Ooh. Scary. Okay. Where to go now? This is a jungle. Jungle. It's very lovely but scary. Especially when you go around here alone and hear something creepy sound next to you. Stay on the road. Here is another. Okay, let's see where I am. Ah, this is a spot where people take pictures. Yeah, that's great. Same thing with the when you go with the kayak. Yeah, oh, very nice place in there. You can get many good pictures around here. Yeah, oh, here is not that scary. It's more open area. But when the woods lock around you, that's very not normal for us from Europe. It's not the same. Oi! I see how big snake they have in Thailand, so I really hope I don't meet any in here. Ooh! Here is another. Whoa! Oh shit! Okay, I don't stop in here. Very scary area here. A lot of sound in the ground. Long time since I have been on the bicycle. Everything go in motorbikes in Thailand. It's actually very cozy. Yeah, very cozy. Here is nice. It's not scary. I promise I haven't drinking anything. I just didn't ride the bike for a long time. I mean the bicycle. And this bicycle is a little different from what I'm used to from before. Oh, here we go. Can I do it? Oh. Don't fall outside. Yeah, let's do it. And I didn't go this way, did I? Reach old paperbark tree. Let's see the map. I am here. It's no end. There is an end here. Should I dare to go in here? It's a video, so in case someone wants to go here. Ooh, I don't like it. I don't like it. Ah. This was scary. Ah. Oh shit. Oh. Okay, let's do it for you guys. Where to go? Huh? This way. No more. No more road. Or is it? Maybe. No. Ooh. I hear some sound in the tree there. Get me out of here! Oh, I really don't want to meet okay. Let's do it. Ooh. This sound was not good. This is not me. This is not me. Oh my. Even. Oh, where I come in. Shit, I'm very off road now. This was not my plan. Here, I think I'm back on the right track. Hopefully. I'm really sweat now. Yeah, this I recognize. Oh shit. Is this the end station of Is this where no people go? No way. Where am I? Oh shit. Oh my water. Okay. I'm wild lost in the woods and cut my shit. I cut my skin also. Let's find the road. Where is it? Where is the road? It's not good. Absolutely not good for me. Oh, I'm back to where I was. Or what? Yeah, I'm back to where I was. Okay. Back to where I was. But I remember I go this way. A few moments later. I am here, there. Okay. I'm not doing it. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, you see people paddling. Yeah. สวัสดีครับ Hello. Was it here? What? Could I? Could I change this with a cold one? It's already warm. It's warm already.
อยู่ไหนมีปะมีมีนั้นมีว่าไม่มีเย็นโนคู
No cold.
ice
Ice.
with
Uh-huh.
little bit
Yeah. น้ำแข็ง
ใส่หน่อยน้ำแข็งให้หน่อยแกะใส่เขาเอาน้ำแข็งไม่ต้องเยอะนะคะเอาแค่พอเอาใส่เยอะๆฟรี
ครับ it's good for you.
อ๋อเอาแค่
Okay.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Because you kind.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ครับ Okay guys, thank you for watching this scary moment in my life in the wood of Thailand. It's because you don't know what's beside you there, so for me I am very scared about the snakes, so that's why I'm in this video very have many sound coming out from me. So but other than that, the trip is very nice if you go the right way, I guess. So I just want to put it out there because I don't know how many people know about this place. You can also paddle there, so it's free. Just if you want to rent a bike, you pay 50 baht, and if you take the kayak, you pay 100 baht, and other than that it's free. You can also walk there, and yeah, it's up to you. It's very nice. So this was my vlog about this park. You have any question, just write in the comment, and yeah, I will try to answer if there is any question. And yeah, this I hope this gave value for someone, especially if they want to see around Rayong, because Rayong is a quiet place, but there are many places you can go and visit there also, but you just need to know about it. So, and it's not far from Pattaya. It's about 1 hour and 10 minutes or something drive. So you have very nice beaches in Rayong, very clean water, and you have Samet outside of Bampe. So you have many opportunity there. If you want more quiet style, it's Rayong. Yeah, and if you want to have more noise around you, more lively dancing, disco, live music, party all night, yeah, take a taxi to Pattaya or Jomtien Beach and have your time there for a while, and go back to Rayong when you want to relax again. Yeah, that's can be a good advice. So subscribe,